Dr. Vajrala Shivkumar. This video clip I am sending you to get more information for the slim craniotomy. Our earlier craniotomy was little bulky and heavy, and you asked for a slim craniotomy. We have specially manufactured for you. This is the slim craniotomy. Now, actual working of the craniotomy I want to show you when I will cut a ply from the craniotomy. Slim craniotomy and our regular craniotomy, they are almost same. Only the grip, this is little big, and the grip is convenient. Now I will show you how it cuts. You can see how the mini craniotomy works, slim craniotomy works, and just this anchor I am connecting to board and giving a lift, and simultaneously I am cutting.